Hello Uganda, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can change the particulars on your ID. If you want to change your names, correct the spelling, there is an error on the ID, you want to drop a name, change a place of residence, or change date of birth. So please follow this video up to the end. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process of how you can go about it. Yes. And please, before we start, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like the video, and hit that notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah. So you go to your phone or computer, open the browser. Maybe you have Chrome, Mozilla, whatever a browser you have. Then you enter this URL, nira.go.ug. You leave it to load. Yeah. So once it loads, it opens from this interface, and you can see this menu here: fees, about NIRA, news, tenders, publications, carriers. Yes. For this case, we shall go to services and forms. So you click on services and forms. It opens from this tab. Then you come on your left. You go to, you download this form, notification of change, stroke error in information in the register. So you click on that form and it downloads. Once you click on it, it will download. You leave it to download. So you leave it to download. Notification of change, stroke error in information in the register. It's downloading as you see it here. Let us wait for it to finish. Once it finishes download, we open it and we see what needs to be filled there. It's done downloading now. Let me open it. Yes, this is the form. There is the Registration of Persons Act 2015, the National Identification and Registration Authority, Kampala. Notification of change, stock error in the information in the register. So this is the form. You download it. If you are using a phone, you download it, go and print it out. If you are using a computer, you can download it, send it to a flash or phone, go and print it out, because you need to fill all this information. Yes. So if that is done, next, requirements. After downloading the form, once you fill it, you will need the following requirements. One, you need to have a statutory declaration. Once you are declaring that statutory declaration, you have to own a mistake. Don't say, Nira did this, Nira made a mistake. No, Nira doesn't make a mistake. It's you who made a mistake when they were registering you. So make sure you own that declaration, that mistake. If you want to change the date of birth, please own mistake. Don't say Nira I made a mistake while registering me the date of birth. No, say I made a mistake in the date of birth and I would request for edit. So please own a mistake. That is a requirement number 1. Requirement number 2, attach supporting documents. Supporting documents is maybe if you are changing the date of birth, you have to come with a date of birth certificate from where you were born. If you were born in the hospital, then you have to get that certified birth certificate from the hospital. If you are born from home, then you can the government, you can go to sub county or municipality divisions and get that certificate of birth. That is requirement number 2. Requirement number 3, pay 50,000 Uganda shillings. Pay 50,000 Uganda shillings in the bank. In a nearby bank, you go there and tell them you want to change or edit information with NIRA. So I would like to pay the fees. They know what to do. So those are the requirements. Requirement number 1, statutory declaration, and make sure you own the mistake while you're declaring that, and that process attach supporting document that indeed what you want to change is right. You want to change if you are changing your names, then you have to prove that indeed you are changing to other names, so you have to attach supporting documents. And 50,000, those are 3 requirements, mandatory requirements. So if you don't have those, don't bother even coming, because you'll waste your time. Yes. So if that is done, next you come back to the system. This process, change of details is done only at head office at Kororo airstrip. Change of information is done only at NIRA head offices at Kororo airstrip. Yes. So next, you come here and book appointment. So you come and click on this tab where it says book an appointment. Click book an appointment. You fill out this form. Your surname, other names optional, origin, district of origin, date of birth. You put your date of birth, phone number, mail address. It's optional. If you don't have, you can leave it out. Appointment details. Choose the service. What you want to do. You want to edit information on your ID. So we're going to look for change of particulars. Click change of particulars. Then come and here choose which NIRA office would you like to visit. You'd like to visit head office Kampala, because that's the that change is made. The offices don't. Next, appointment date. So you use the appointment date. Appointment date. You have to choose. Select a date here. Let us choose 18th of June. 18th of June. We see if the date is available. Yes, at 9 a.m. Let me click submit. Error. Because it has persisted on bringing me that error. There is system error, but basically that's what is done. After here, once you submit, they will give you a appointment number. You can note that information. If you have entered an email, they will send you the email. Yeah, so really that's what's done when you want to change or edit the information on your national ID. I think you still remember the requirements, statutory declaration. That is done by a lawyer, but you can get advice from URSB office. You can get help from there. And remember to own the mistake. Don't say Nira did this. No, it's you who did it. Own the mistake and attach supporting document of what you want to do, like birth certificate, and go to bank and pay 50 50,000 Uganda shillings. Yes. Then come the system, book appointment. But however, here the server has an error, but you have to make appointment. Yes. So that's what is done if you want to edit the particulars on your ID. Yeah. So before I continue, I have to put across this disclaimer that the information given to you is not on behalf of NIRA, Uganda government. They are my own views and my understanding and experience. So that's what is done once you are you want to apply for change of particulars. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button and the notification bell. Let's catch up in the next video.